Well, it's a bloody scene here in the Arrowhead Garage. Look at all that blood. All that red ATF. The old Firebird. She's a bleeding. She's hurting. I gotta fix this. I know what the problem is. It's that front seal, but I don't have time right now, but I need to make sure this doesn't happen. So what the hell can I do to keep my bird from bleeding all over the garage? Oh, wait. What is that? What is this? Let's go look. Could this be the answers to my prayers? Trans-X transmission stop leak and tune-up. Oh, stop slips, fixes leaks, restores seals. I need this in my life. I need this to go and fill that transmission up so we don't have this. The carnage, the blood. Let's see if this shit works. Directions. It says add 1:10 ratio, 132-ounce bottle to transmission to 10 quarts of ATF. 10 quarts, holy crap. For smaller transmissions, use a half a bottle. So let's use half a bottle. Let's get this in and let's see if this stuff will work. Okay, so dipstick for us is down here. I'm missing the little holder. And as we can tell, yeah, there's a little bit left in her. So get our funnel. See if we can't work our way into here. That not gonna work. Not the right size funnel. Son of bocce. Okay, let's try this again. It's bigger, it's longer, and it's black. Well, I don't know where that's going, but and it fits. Does it fit? Oh yeah, black fits. Oh my goodness, can we stop with the jokes? No, we can't. We're boys. Okay, she says half of this, so oh, there's okay. We'll just figure this out. Oh, pill top. Gotta love them. Ooh, smells like, actually, it smells like kerosene or something. Yeesh. All right, so based on the fluid, she's about right there. So about right there is where we want to go to. Let's drain this in here. It's kind of watery. And that's about half. And maybe a little more. Okay. Yep, that's about to my finger. So that's half. We'll put the lid back on this and put the dipstick back in and see if she fires up and moves. All right. Put this bad boy back in. All right, so now that we've added that to the transmission, it says drive vehicle, monitor leak, and maintain proper fluid level until leak is gone. Okay, well, let's go take it for a test drive and get the engine up to temp and see what happens and find out if this Trans-X stuff works or not. So let's go drive. Okay, let's fire it up. Well, there's our mess. Not pretty, is she? Not pretty. Guess I didn't have my catch pan in the right direction. Well, good old kitty litter to the rescue, huh, Sierra? I guess I'll be making another video on how to clean all this up. But for now, I think we're good. So let's go ahead and bring the car back in. Guess we should put the pan back just in case. Who's been a good dog today? Who's been a good dog? It's Sierra, the shop dog. Let's see what we got over here. Well, looks like the Trans-X did not do what it did because this was dry yesterday, and well, I guess I'm having to pull a tranny and redo some seals. But you know,